And then, you know what I mean?
All right,
And
I'm
then we,
ready.
yeah. Okay, so I understood, like, that bigger platform you're doing, cost 20,000, and then, but that's for everything, right? That's a more kind of complex platform, right?
Yes, almost like going to help broader audience, and the goal is to turn it to a business, a company, to send it on a venture capital list, on a share market like that. To
Yeah,
many people can easily, like it's an online AI based asset management company.
yeah. Okay, so obviously in this case, if we go partners, we have both benefits, right? Equal benefits, kind of, right?
Right.
Yeah, I just spoke to one of the group of the angels. I have meeting 3 days ago. Angels exit from States, from California. Oh no, from New York, New York, sorry. But the guy said, "Oh, I used to invest with some real estate." He goes, "The guy died." He goes to me, "Are you gonna be stay alive?" I go, "Yeah, I will stay alive." So that was funny. But that was only one group. I joined maybe 6, 7, and they still in the process. Last night I was checking; they're still in process. Takes time to to go through every application, then send you info and stuff like that. Okay, so let's go back to this. So okay, that big platform. So yeah, we can do that, but for this small platform you mentioned, it like cost $1,000, and that's the also AI controlling, do AI reality controlling just for the Comex, just smaller platform, isn't it?
Yeah, Mr. Olman, that's correct. Like it's a individual platform that facilitates you or your friends to automate that investment or in forex market.
Okay, so it seems kind of similar to the big platform, just kind of smaller platform, and for individual person, and with AI, obviously integration, and to help you kind of to do better job, and not too much manually, is gonna be kind of more automatically, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, so what I have. I mean, for that big platform, okay, there is a lot of work done, and that's a lot of money, okay. But for this, if even if you, let's say you and me, whatever, you, even you making that bigger platform for yourself and putting, like, and somehow for investors, I mean, obviously it's gonna be, people like it, not whatever, how good it is. But what I'm trying to say, after so much money investing, because I did a lot of other stuff investing, like ideas, whatever, patents, and a lot of them didn't work. So then I kind of figured out, why not spend less money to attract the people, and which I did. You know what I mean? So not to get full platform. So that's why kind of like focusing, maybe better if you do that only small platform, okay? And then obviously we can go in partner, you and me, on the small platform, but obviously let's see if it works, with people and everything. And then we can present that small platform, and you, what you doing demo, we can present them demo also of the big platform. So what I'm trying to say, so not to people invest a lot of money. I mean, let's say me and you, and a lot of work, and we can do smaller platform. I can introduce to my friends, and even Yasmin's. I didn't know that before. Yasmin's friend, he's, I don't know, maybe even from Pakistan. I don't know, maybe Indian. I'm not sure. He's doing like full time, doing those stuff. Like, he got four or five big hourly TV screens. So he's doing full time. So
Mhm.
maybe I'm gonna talk to Yasmin. So we're gonna go. They asked me your link of that new platform what you're building, and then but we are busy on. He's busy on other side. I'm busy over here, kind of. So, but we're gonna meet that guy to see. Like I wanna see what he's doing. So I'm gonna tell you even more. And that's like one how to put it one person inside who's doing all of this for years. You know what I mean? He got connections and let's see what he's thinking of that small platform, and then we can start building. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand. That's a
Yeah.
reliable idea.
Yes. But again, for myself, $1,000 investing $1,000 now, it's not good, for me right now. But if you want to do, let's say, I mean, you got to understand if we go business 50-50, whatever, we need to help each other no matter which way. Some person more, some less. But let's say, like, you did the website for me. I pay you $400 first to calling wherever didn't work, kind of obviously, that's fine. But still, you made a platform a little bit in the beginning, my website, and kind of, oh, that's money goes against. Kind of, I give you option to be like partners. But still, your side, don't get me wrong, you want to just make your money no matter which way. But in a partnership, you cannot make money for some partner, because that partner is going to bring some other things inside. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
I'm listening.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say, my proposal is let's if you give me this platform smaller to work on it, and we're gonna see. So down in the 2-3 months, when I have, let's say, $2,000 to invest on the side, I can put it, and we're gonna try how it works, and they can, by performance, I can tell the people, show the people results and everything. People wanna see results. Same
Hmm.
like on Angels, when I talk to the guy, Angels exit,
Hmm.
he goes, um because in application you need to put how much money you make. I put it like just small amount of money, but
Hmm.
because I didn't actually, just to pull them in, but you need to have I need to have kind of like prove my concept is working. And that's what I'm trying to figure out on this small platform to see, and then present, and then people gonna like it, and they're gonna pay $1,000 for
Hmm.
individual that platform. They're gonna give him like the income, and they're gonna pay off in a couple of months. Let's say, depends how much money they were gonna invest inside, right?
Hmm. You are,
That's one. Yeah.
Mhm. And I also received some images from you about YouTube.
Oh, yeah. That was my idea back 3-4 years ago. Description, like, I did, Hussein, I did a lot of stuff. I did something like, back 2014 with drones. Just to give you an idea, I hired one company from the Bulgaria for Sofia, Flyver. It's called Flyver. There was like they got funded from the European Union about drones. That time was drones so on beginning. So what I'm trying to say, I made a website through them. So my was idea to similar kind of, let's say, like Facebook, whatever. So people can fly the drones and take the video, selfie, anything else, and put straight in a platform, you know. And I did so many things. Still, I have on a what's called on a saving computer. But at the end of the day, the company didn't give me everything what I wanna. The platform didn't work properly. And my point is, look at this, what crazy things happening in the Ukrainian war, and everything is about drones. And whatever they use it. Okay, I'm not saying I'm so smart, but I got the vision something like, whatever I said. So maybe that Fiverr was freaking connecting with those guys. Who knows? You know what I mean? Because they're a big company. So I almost done deal through him with a Patriot, the drone company from France. So, and that's like beside the point. My point is what I did over here on a YouTube. You know what I mean? Did you understand what was my idea?
Yes, I like read some images that you share and try to understand the concept. But
Yeah.
I understand, like you say, mention that we are going to sell products on YouTube so that people just buy from the video.
Well, no, like let's say, like when you're watching any YouTube, there is a lot of links underneath, whereas the YouTubers selling that products, whatever they're using on, let's say, camp. I like camping, so I watching the, let's say, the with jeeps going in the nature. They have chairs, this and that, kitchen, whatever it is. So they say, oh, you can buy the link below. But so my idea was like, if the YouTuber watcher, who's watching video can just click and start talking through the AI, like uh, you can buy it right away. That, let's say, chair, like a chair, you go, oh my god, it's good chair, and he stopped the screen and he want to buy it right away. you know Not like going after video is finished, after, let's say, half an hour, and he got cooled down, he forgot, he go, no, I don't want to buy it. So what I'm trying to say, to give the chance people to do right away, to buy that product from the screen. You know what I mean? Kind of.
So
Do you
how this
understand what I'm saying?
like going to work? For example, it appears on the screen or on the video description.
One, like video description, and then, like, but it's hard to get. You need to be in contact with YouTube. YouTube won't change. You need to do some protocol, I believe, another side integration with the other website, going from your screen straight to the website when it can be those products, and right away transaction or whatever it is. But anyway, this is like, just send you that idea. Just let's see what he's saying. But let's focusing on this way, what he kind of like, we have more clear picture, you know what I mean, about this platform, about trading. For those other stuff, we can talk next time. It's not important. So yeah, that was my kind of questions about this platform and stuff. Point is, um, I can do from this side, let's say, for small platform, what I said, give me a chance to try it, and let's see, I'm gonna invest $2,000, and then we can go later on and see. I can show my friends and other people, and then I can do that on what's called a platform for angels list.
Mhm.
So I have already kind of like, in two big groups,
Mhm.
NFX, and then Dulam. Dulam is called other one. So I already have my informations there. So I need to just make new application for different stuff. You know what I mean?
Mhm. So, like one question I have,
Yeah.
uh, that platform cost I estimated almost 20,000. That is the beginning investment that we use for development. I invest in my time during development, whatever the process I follow during to make that platform happen. So for you, as you are the partner, I try to present some smaller aspects of the platform. That's why I told you to, we can start this with just $1,000. Uh, you, this money is going to be utilized for to make happen that smaller part of the project. Do you think that money is a uh, very lot of stuff, or this is a expensive one?
$1,000, right?
Yeah.
I believe maybe it's not. That's what I'm saying. If I have, let's say, down the road $2,000, trust me, right now, I'm not lying to you. Just now, I'm busy with real estate. I need to save my real estate here. So every dollar kind of I need to put in the real estate, you know. So what I'm trying to say, if down 2 3 months, whatever, when a little the situation is gonna clear up, if I have obviously gonna have a $2,000, I can invest it. You give me for free this platform to try it. If I can make some
Mhm.
money, so then down the road I can increase my what's called the account, right? Let's say 10,000. So my point is to see, and though when you see like potential is there, and you cannot really kind of lose, but you can win all the time. That's how you you think about the business. Same like house, in North America, wherever. If you buy the house now for $100,000, depends. Sometimes going crazy up, sometimes down, but after 10 years, no matter what, you're winning. Even you borrow the money. You know what I mean? What I'm trying to say. That same thing like for this small platform. Point is, we need to have proof. We need to have security for the people. They can take the money out from the account if they need it. Why I'm saying that? Because of the millionnext.com. What I told you, I was reading reviews, and then people couldn't take the money out. People are scared. Even I talked to my friend Joe on the weekend and explained to him. He goes, "Can you take that money out anytime?" I go, "That's why I'm gonna ask Hussein, in the questions next week, and to see like what he's saying."
Mhm. Let me answer that part. And about Million Next, you find a particular problem. That's a problem here. That's the problem we are going to meet because the platform, tons of platforms available, but trusted platform, that's the game here. That's why people are going to come toward us.
Yeah, I know. I mean, and that's gonna be a lot of money involved and work to fix it, right?
Correct.
To make right that platform to working. And that's
Even
that's
I
yeah.
also try to utilize the potential of blockchain in our application because that is the futuristic programming that is going to be help the DeFi applications. But obviously, if I, as a developer, I spend time or invest my energies on that, I do require a support so that I can meet the daily needs of the applications. I can add any functionality or whatever. I can manage my stuff easily.
Yeah. No, I understand. I appreciate what you're saying. Everything, yeah. Just focusing on the big platform from my side and investing. Obviously, I don't have money, and that's what I'm trying to say. It's better to it's better to kind of like focus on smaller, then you start working and working properly, and people like it, and then you move to the bigger and even spending more money, but then obviously looking for the investors and right.
Yeah, that's fine with me. I would like to spend my energies towards that smaller part. Obviously, that smaller part will be like a mirror for us that other people can see their reflection, how things going to work.
That's correct. Yeah, then we're gonna have kind of vision in the future, how much people like it, to
Mhm.
how many people we talk to, how
Mhm.
many they didn't like it,
Mhm.
or anything else. You know what I mean?
Mhm. So,
I mean, you can think what you think, and what's the best strategy. It's to be just to be fair enough to me and to you. You know what I mean? Obviously, if you're gonna be partners, anything, working together somehow, we need to trust each other and friendship, and not to, you know what I mean,
yeah,
screw up,
with the
you
passage
know.
of time, it can be developed.
Yeah.
Like, for example, if it is a smaller platform, but obviously we require to make it functional. For that, we require to at least some seed amount in the beginning.
Even for small one?
Yeah.
But you said you made it at 1,000. You said, Marine, you give me $1,000, I can give you that platform to use.
Yes, that's what I mean. The smaller
Yeah,
one is also require 1,000 at least.
yeah. What? That's what I'm saying. But did you already make it or no?
I am. I still, no, it is still not create. It is, we have to do that.
Oh, okay.
That's why I told you that if we start with our partnership with, if you seed amount of that $1,000, I can work on the smaller part of the functionality so that we can have something in our eyes.
You wanna, okay, how about this? What about if I get, let's say, I can talk to Yasmin and that what's the name of the guy? That guy who's working trading. Anyway, I forgot the name. I met him a long time ago. My point is, can I find another two guys, let's say for that platform, $1,000? So because even Yasmin, he's like fucking tight with money because he moved from one house to another house, and he didn't sell the house of the where he used to live because price went down. Now he waiting a couple months or even more. He's gonna waiting to maybe to how it's gonna go up to get more money, but he need to pay the mortgage. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
So situation, everything complete over here. It's upside down real estate. That's why I'm kind of a little bit in a not trouble, but kind of like it's not like what I thought it's gonna be. But still, it's gonna be okay. My point is, if I
Yeah,
find, let's
let's
say,
do
another
that.
two guys,
Let's do that. That's a good idea. You can add two more people. That's works.
two more people, like and we can use that platform, giving them, let's say, whatever, $300, each. We got $1,000, and then you can build it, and then, but just need to be working properly, and we can start using it, and then we're gonna have three people who's gonna be present to the other people. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's
That
perfect.
good,
That sounds
that good
perfect.
news. Yeah, yeah. But let's because what I said now it's a little bit off, but we can still be in touch, whatever. But what I'm saying, until I talk to the people and everything, who agree, they're gonna find more answers. And I need to talk to that other guy who's doing like full day trading. His friend. He used to be engineer in a also in that company, Rogers, and he moved doing by himself from home. And then let's say we can start step by step, see like but I need to get more information and talk to people and stuff. So who's gonna be willing to do that?
So I can
Sounds
get,
good.
yes, that sounds good. Perfect.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, goes step by step. Nothing is easy. You know what I mean? But at least if we find good, each step we go up, it's good, strong foundation. That's all matters. If that how I'm saying all the time, house you cannot build from the roof down. You need to make good foundation of the house. If you don't make good foundation, the second floor is gonna collapse down. You know what I mean?
You are
And that's
right.
in the business, like in the business also.
Yeah. Our base is very important. That's where we stand our building or a skyscraper. But base is important.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, Sohail. I mean, Sohail. Sorry, Hussein. Sohail. Sohail, he rent my property in. He called me just maybe 20 minutes ago or something. He wanna rented my property where I bought it. So yeah, Hussein, let's keep in touch, and even let's see how progress are gonna do from my side and you do from your side, whatever, and you know we can go from there.
Yes, sure. I would looking forward to hear from you.
Okay, Mr. Hussein. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
I recorded that video and I upload to on YouTube as well.
Okay, thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
Yeah.